Hi, and welcome back to Vegan Finds. Today we're going to be doing one of those what do you eat things, and today it's going to be jerky. And I think somebody
versus his wife's jerky.
Yeah. Okay. We're gonna be tasting a whole bunch of different kinds of jerkies. I love jerky. I'm sorry. Before I went vegan, jerky was my thing. I didn't really care for the jaw pain that was involved in eating jerky. And now I'm going to try some vegan jerky and tell you what I think. She doesn't like it. So anyway, here we go. We're going to start with, what is that?
It's Perky jerky.
Perky jerky.
It's vegan and gluten-free.
Tasty teriyaki. Now, Perky jerky makes regular jerky as well. So if you don't want to support a company that makes non-plant-based foods, I totally understand that. But for the benefit of you guys, I'm going to try some of this. Here, you can take a look. It looks pretty good. I'm going to taste it. It's got a very light jerky flavor to it. A little bit teriyaki comes out more. The more you chew it, the more teriyaki you get. It's pretty mild. Definitely not as chewy as a regular jerky would be, which my jaw will thank me after doing all of this. Now we have sea salt and pepper, also from the Perky Jerky Company. I don't think I've ever had a sea salt and pepper version of jerky. And just so you know, one serving size, which is 1 ounce, which is half a bag, is 70 calories of this.
It's 11 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of fiber, 9 grams of sugar, and 7 grams of protein.
Okay, that is a lot more chewy. Way more chewy than the teriyaki base.
Oh, we have another smoked black pepper one.
Oh.
To compare it to. You're
All right. This is from the Louisville Vegan Jerky Company. And eventually my beautiful wife will feed me a piece. You got to get on. There you go. On camera. Blocking my face. Perfect. Nobody wants to see my face. That much I can tell you. Anyway, so this is Perky Jerky. Oh, no. This is not Perky Jerky. This is Louisville Vegan Jerky.
So for me, I don't hate this one, but I have a textural thing with it, so I can only eat like a small piece at a time.
Now, this is not nearly as chewy as the Perky Jerky. Not nearly as chewy.
Okay, so this is from the Louisville Vegan Jerky Company.
That's Louisville.
Louisville. And it is the maple bacon. So he can compare that to the one that I made.
Okay.
Which is eggplant based.
Ooh, eggplant based.
And
now, if that doesn't set your heart aflutter, nothing will. Okay, so we're going to try this. It's tasty, but I'm not getting much bacon flavor out of this one. It is definitely salty.
eggplant. He hates eggplant.
I don't really care for eggplant. This looks like it's been sitting out for far too long, but I'm going to try it.
Dehydrator.
Oh. Oh my god.
That one's really chewy.
And it's really spicy.
Yeah.
Way spicy. Whoa. Hello. You may have to shut the camera off. It's like burning my mouth off.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
It's burning your mouth off. Have a lot of water.
Yeah, that ain't gonna help. That is very jerky flavory. I mean, in texture. It is super spicy. I don't know, what'd you put on that? Sriracha?
No. Carolina barbecue sauce.
Has to be. I see red pepper flakes or something.
No, those are the seeds from the eggplant.
Oh, really?
This is liquid aminos, Carolina barbecue seasoning from Savory Spice Shop, and
Wow, that was like balls to the wall peppery. My mouth is on fire.
oh, that's the Carolina barbecue.
Whew.
So speaking of Carolina barbecue,
Ooh, we have another Louisville jerky.
the Louisville jerky. That is Carolina barbecue.
It may take me a while to get that eggplant out of my teeth. I'm not going to pick my teeth out. Thankfully, the eggplant jerky is not available in stores. All right. Oh, eat a piece. Which one is this? This is the Carolina.
Torturing his wife for 10 straight minutes.
It's delicious. I really like that.
No offense.
It's
I appreciate the fact that a company is doing this, and jerky, for the record, is a process in which you make something, not necessarily a meat.
Yeah, we do get a lot of comments. This is a vegan channel, so when we say vegan, everything is vegan. Don't at me saying.
You're still on the same shirt.
I know.
Ew.
So don't at me saying that this isn't jerky because it isn't made from meat. I know it's not made from meat. We're a vegan channel.
You're not going to address the fact that I'm in completely different clothing, my hair is completely different, and my makeup's completely different?
No, let them wonder what happened here.
Alright.
I'm still wearing the same shirt.
Yes, I know.
So anyway, we have one more version of jerky to try. And it is mushroom jerky. So this is something completely different. Who's it
From
by?
Pan's Mushroom Jerky Company. It's Applewood Barbecue. It's made from shiitake mushrooms. And it is, I don't know.
It's a lot of calories.
It's a lot of calories, but I'm looking to see if there's any gluten in it.
Oh, there might be gluten in it. Is there any gluten in it?
I don't see gluten.
I don't see anything that says wheat. Nope.
No,
I think we're good.
I think we're good.
I was wondering if it said anything on the package.
No, it just said no meat, no
Oh, wait,
soy.
it might have said there.
Oh, it probably said it right there, and I cut it off. Because it said gluten-free. So here we go.
All right, we're gonna taste this. Now, shiitake mushrooms, one of my favorites. It's a very jerky texture. The pieces are small, which is good. It's a little bit hard, but because they're small, it's easier to chew. It's got a real good flavor.
It would probably, all right. We make a Cobb salad in the summer. This would probably be okay as the mushroom bacon in the Cobb salad if I don't feel like making the mushroom bacon.
And if you guys are really interested to know what happened to my wife in between me saying don't at me and now, we had a slight camera malfunction. So this is actually days later. But I haven't worn the shirt for days. Oh, don't be lying. Don't be lying. I am vegan, so I'm saving water by not bathing or doing any of those, horrible things. Anyway, I like the jerkies overall.
All right, we gotta rate them.
Okay, we gotta rate them.
What's your least favorite jerky? Oh, I'm out of camera range.
Okay, my least favorite jerky probably on a flavor basis was the Perky Jerky Vegan sea salt and pepper. I would give that.
Coming in last. How many carrots?
I'm gonna give that 2 carrots.
Okay.
My next least favorite probably would be. It's kind of tough. I think the Pete's smoked black pepper from the Louisville vegan jerky, because again, I think it lacked some of that jerky flavor that you want like a bigger, bolder flavor, and you're just not getting it with either one of those. Then we're
So how many carrots?
I'm gonna give that 2.5 carrots.
Okay.
The next one would be the mushroom jerky. Well, I liked.
We're not getting. I'm just telling you, we're not getting sponsored by any of these companies ever.
I liked the flavor of it. I think the pieces were a little small, but it's a shiitake mushroom. It had a good chew, but just not enough of a chew for me. It has an excellent flavor though. It definitely has an applewood flavor to it. A nice, good smoky flavor to it. I give that 3 carrots.
3 carrots?
3 carrots.
3 carrots.
3 carrots.
Okay.
Then the next one would be the tasty teriyaki from Perky Jerky. Again, the texture is really spot on as far as jerky goes. You really had to chew it though a lot to get the teriyaki flavor out of it, almost like gum in reverse. But it did. Once you got to the teriyaki flavor, it was very good. But I just felt like you had to chew it a lot in order.
You really need to charge this battery because it's gonna.
It's not gonna die.
It's gonna die again.
Okay. So where did we leave off? The Perky Jerky Tasty Teriyaki. I gave it 3.5 carrots. I think I left up at 3.5 carrots.
Okay, next one.
So we're down to the final 2 winners, and I'm gonna go with the next one in second place being Paulette's Maple Bacon from the Louisville Vegan Jerky Company. It's got a good texture, not quite as chewy as regular jerky would be, but I like the flavor all the same. And number 1.
How many carrots?
Oh, it gets 4.5 carrots. 4.5, and
Sorry, thumbnail.
5 carrots goes to the Smoky Carolina Louisville
That was the thumbnail.
Vegan Jerky Carolina Barbecue. Wait, let me just get it. This is perfect right here. Anyway, if you like jerky, they're all excellent choices. Quite honestly. Some have better flavor, others have better texture. Maybe if you put 2 pieces in your mouth together.
You didn't rate mine.
Oh, shoot! There's the eggplant jerky. Do you have the bag? Go get the bag. Okay, this is the eggplant jerky. This gets 5.5 carrots. Definitely the best jerky I've had in a long time. Actually, as far as chew goes, this one you could chew for days. It really gives that jerky.
Oh, there's jerky going on here. There's some jerking going on.
Oh, is there? Anyway, if you want to make your own jerky, I will post the eggplant jerky recipe in the description, and it actually is not bad. This one is super duper spicy, so if you really like that peppery taste to it, it's good. If you like jerky that chews really well, it's excellent. If you don't like eggplant, don't make it. Anyway,
I'm gonna say this: when making the jerky, especially vegetable jerky, you need a really good dehydrator. So we have a dehydrator. We bought it years ago. Since going vegan, now we're using it. Go figure.
Yeah, we were supposed to make real.
We were supposed to. He was
meat
supposed
jerky.
To make real meat jerky.
Meat jerky in that, and fruit leather, and we never did. It just sat in the cabinet for at least 5 years. So we're breaking out all these tools that we've never actually used before. The air fryer has become our best friend, and so if you like these kinds of videos, please hit the subscribe, leave a comment, hit the notification bell, and give us a thumbs up for a like. And
The cookbook.
Oh, and if you haven't already gone to our first video, leave a comment there. Let us know that you subscribed, and you will be entered to win the Isa Chandra Moskowitz's I Can Cook Vegan Cookbook that is signed by the author. Thank you, and we hope to see you again. Bye-bye.